So when you want to do this 40-word challenge, all you have to do is click on the Remix This Design button down here. So if I click that, it's going to open up in Spark Post. I'm going to get rid of this little template section here. And then here is my kind of collage that I can do what I like with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding bits of text to each section of this photo. So let's start out by pressing text on the left hand side, add your text, and I'm going to say me gusta ir al cine con mis amigos. Okay, nice. Now it's given me my text here, but I don't like the style of it. It's kind of copied the box in the middle. It's given me this huge thing. But if I click find a new style, then I can just click until I find something that I actually like. There you go. That one's pretty cool. Quite like that. Right, so I'm going to resize it. And then I can put it down in the corner there so we can see all the photo. And then all I have to do here is duplicate that text box and actually to add it to another part of the image or another image out of this collage. So I'm going to click duplicate here. You can see it gives me another box, and I can go up here, put it next to this one with these people reading, double click, and then I can say también me gusta leer, pero sobre todo leo los cómics. Okay, done. That one's quite, I don't need to do anything else with that. I'm going to duplicate this again, drag this down to this one with this with these children swimming. Maybe I'll resize it just to make it look a little bit different. And you can see the dotted lines are just a little guide to show you, oh, this is all lining up nicely. Double click it here. Los sábados, I should really put an accent on this. Nado con mis hermanos en la piscina. Okay, done. That one is nicely done as well. Maybe I'll reduce it slightly just so that you can kind of see the people in the photo. And then all you have to do is duplicate it again, drag it over to this last one. Let me just give me a bit of space here. There you go, just shove it along. And then I can align it. You can see that dotted line, double click it. And then I put escucho música rock con mis auriculares para relajar. I listen to rock music with my headphones to relax. Okay, when you're done, all you need to do now is you can make certain choices, like I might delete this central section here. I can just select it and then press delete. I just center the whole image. If I ever need to go back and get that back, I can just press the undo button there. But I think I'll do it without. And then when you're ready, all you need to do is press download if you want to download it. But before that, actually give it a title. So I'll give it MFL homework, for example. Then I can download it. It'll download to my machine. You can see it down there. But most usefully of all, I can press share, publish, and then either I can share this, through Microsoft Google Classrooms with my teacher, or press the link button here. That will generate a link which I can copy. Okay, and then I can send that through email or whatever I want. Now, if I go in and change something like an image, for example, so I can click on this image, press replace, and might think, and actually this is, there's something that's probably more relevant to me and my style of music. Maybe this one, the guitar one here. I quite like this one. That's nice, isn't it? So, I mean, I can move the image around within its frame as well by, scaling it up and then moving it if I want the guitar to be central, all those kind of things. And if you ever need to edit any of the text, you just double click it and go in there. Right, there we go. Once you have updated something, press share and publish again, and just click that link button again so that it actually pushes those new changes out to your finished published link or your Google Classroom assignment. Okay, good luck with your assignment.